Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today I am here to explain you a new topic, JSON format data. So today I will show you that how can we select a query and we can use select query to select the data from a table and we'll get that data in JSON format. So let's start the session. I have created one table and I'm going to select the data from that table. So you can see here that I am selecting the data from this table. So here I am having 6 records and there are 3 columns. Okay. So now I will use JSON format, and after using that JSON keyword we will convert this table from data into the JSON format data. Okay. So let's see that. Select star from table name. Here we will use for keyword and JSON and auto. Okay, so now we can see that this data format will be converted into the JSON format. You can see here that this data is now in JSON format. Now I am executing both select queries. Okay, so here you can see that in first we are getting the tabular form data, and in second query we are getting that in JSON format data. Now I'm going to select this JSON format data. So you can see here that this is the JSON format data. I'm copying this data and I have created one notepad file in JSON format. So I'm pasting that data in this table. Okay. So you can see here that the table data is now in JSON format data, and this file name is JSON data. Okay. Now I'm going to open this file in Excel format. So you can see here that this is in JSON format data. Okay, so you can see that now I have converted that table form data into that JSON format data. So in Google Chrome, when I am opening that same file, then it is showing here as a JSON data. Now I am using one more command here that will display a root element in this JSON form. So suppose we want to add some root element, so we can do that one also. Select star from table name for keyword, JSON keyword, then path, comma. Here we will use root element to define the name of the root. Suppose I want to define the root as sales details. Okay. So now when I am executing this select query, so you can see here this data contains now root element. I'm copying this, or you can say that I'm copying this data. So you can see here that this sales details, this is the root name. If I'm going to change the root name, suppose sales details underscore updated. So when I will execute this, then you can see that here root name is sales details underscore updated. So now you can see that when I'm going to copy this data in this file, and now I'm browsing this file in Google Chrome, you can see here that in our existing file we are not having any root element of this JSON. Okay, now I'm going to refresh this file, and you can see here that now sales details separated. So here we can see that this is that JSON format data, and here we have added that root element. So as per our requirement, we can add that root. Whatever root we require, we can add that root name, and whatever type of the data we require. If we require data in JSON format without root name, then we can use JSON auto, and when we need root name, then we can use JSON path root. And when we need the data in tabular form, then we don't need to use any of this JSON element. We can directly use select command. Okay, so you can see here that in SQL Server, how can we easily convert our tabular form data into the JSON form data. So friends, thanks for watching my session. If you like this session, if this session is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.